During this step, we're going to show you how to order your business cards. Now that you are officially in business, it'll be nice to have some cards that you can carry around as well when you're having conversations with folks. So there's actually two different options with respect to what kind of card you might want to get. And you might want to get back to the person that brought you into the business and ask them what some of their thoughts or their opinions are. But I'll just give you a little overview here of the two different options. The first option is the top part here, and these are cards that Veridian Corporate has put together. They're compliance approved, and you can go right on to shopveridian.com and you can order these. And there's 5 different types that are there. Now, Freedom is the name of our product, and you'll learn more about that. So it's kind of more of a product-specific card. The Heroes program is if you are an active or retired military. That's part of our Heroes program. The blue one here is a little bit more specific towards our natural gas product. The solar card is just basically that. It's a card that has an emphasis on solar. And the last one is a little bit more generic, and it's about People, Planet, Profit on the back. And on the front, it's again talking about sustainability and whatnot. So personally, I like the idea of it being a little bit more generic or about solar, which really are our two major focuses. If you are active or retired military, maybe you would probably love the Heroes card. But with respect to a card about our products, electric or natural gas, I'm not a huge fan. But basically, if you click on this link right here, you can go right to shopveridian.com, and that'll show you where you can go right on there and you can order your batch of cards and you can blow them up and see what they look like and see what you're more comfortable with. So you can go ahead and do that. Now, the other option for cards is a generic option. So one of our top income earners and leaders, Joe Occhiogrosso, commonly known as Joe Aho, has a website with his business partner Frank Marone, and they've created a card that doesn't mention anything about Veridian, whatsoever. It's a little bit more about green energy, and it talks about the opportunity on how to capitalize on the green energy movement on the back with a recorded phone number where you can actually go on and have a prospect dial into that, and it just tells them a little bit more about the opportunity itself. So you can click on their website here and get access to the information on where to go ahead and order the cards that way. So again, if you're not clear on exactly what you'd like to do, you can talk to the person that brought you into the business, but you really have two options. Option one is the compliance approved Veridian cards and pick one of the 5 options you like there, or you can go down the generic route where there's no real mention of the company Veridian, and people sometimes like that so that people don't start Googling Veridian and trying to look up all this stuff about them and reading a negative blog or a positive blog or what have you. So it kind of keeps it neutral and generic. So those are the 2 places you can order business cards, and those are the 2 different types of cards you can order.